welcome back
to my channel. As you can see, I have a very special guest for today, and that is my one and only sister, Krista.
Hi guys.
Yes, and finally I was able to convince her to join the Love Lucy channel vlog. And today is very special because we are going to unbox a very special Christmas gift from her hubby, and it is
An Hermes bag. And this is my first Hermes bag.
yes. So, do you know what it is? What's inside? What's the Hermes bag inside?
It's a Herbag. So I wanted this for more than a year now. Unfortunately, last year it was not available. Yes, so we were on the wait list. But so this year, my husband got a call from Angelo from the Greenbelt store, and they said it's finally available and we can now go there to.
Also, that means it's not really easy to get one. So you have to wait for it to become available. Specifically, that you wanted this bag from Hermes. So how do you feel about it? How do you feel about it? How do you finally gave it to you?
Well, of course, I'm very happy. How else should I feel?
So I will be very surprised. I'm actually very surprised that you actually got your dream bag already. You know, it's very special because you just got promoted this year, right?
Yes,
And I love the color. So she's actually
our mom's favorite color.
Favorite color, and she's also from Union Bank.
Yes.
As an AVP, and now you're getting your first orange bags from Hermes.
I have a lot of orange bags. They are all wear. So this is the first bag.
So actually what we're going to do right now is to simply unbox it, appreciate the bag, because it is her first Hermes bag. So are you ready?
Yes.
Yay! Let's do this! I love the ribbon.
Yes.
It's brown and it has a lot of the logos and stuff.
The classic.
Oh my god.
Hermes design.
Show it. Wow! The canvas. What do you call this? This is the dust bag, right?
Yes.
The dust bag is superb. It's like canvas type.
And
Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Oh my gosh.
it's more of like a casual bag.
Oh, what do you call this bag again?
It's a Herbag.
Herbag. Yeah. Rose something. Oh my gosh.
It's like a rose color, and then it has a strap, which I love. I love bags with straps, and then it's like
Can you show it to the
casual.
show it to the camera? So as you can see, guys, is it red or orange red? It's like red orange bag, and the material is like a canvas nylon material. And if you can see the leather, it's super nice leather. It's casual and very unique. Oh my gosh, it's so nice.
It's just for casual.
So where do you plan to use this bag? Or do you have planned trips for 2023? Where are you gonna use it?
It's for family travel.
So is it a backpack or not?
No, it's not a backpack. It's just like a
Also, it's a convertible.
this like this.
Oh, so you
Perfect
can,
for travels.
you can use it as a
Or
shoulder bag or as a handbag because you have this handle. But is this removable? This one?
I'm not sure yet. I don't know.
Let's find out.
Let's find out.
She's gonna open it for us.
Oh, so it's
It's a cute pouch. And then, it's removable.
how do you remove it?
This one,
Yeah. No, you can remove it like this.
Oh no, it's not removable, but
You can adjust.
yeah, it's adjustable. So you can actually use it as a drawstring with this. So if you're going to adjust the leather here, it's gonna look like a drawstring and more casual. Oh, it's so nice! Congratulations! Yay! Are you happy?
Yes.
What did you tell me, Jamie?
Thank you. So I'm gonna use this for our incoming travel.
Yay! I'm gonna look forward for that trip, and special. So, Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas to me.
Merry Christmas to my pregnant sister. I'm so excited to meet my niece, Kylie.
Yeah! Are you happy with your gift?
Yes, I'm very happy.
So it's really a Merry Christmas 2022 for my sister, and I hope you guys like this unboxing bag from the Love Lucy channel, and we hope to see you next time.
Love bags, love Lucy. Follow us and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey bag lovers, for more bag reviews like this, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube. That is Love Lucy channel. So see you there.